Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss a weighted average profit method. In last video I have discussed weighted average profit method, definition, meaning, formula, etc. Weighted average profit method. In this video I will discuss problem and solution. Okay, how you will solve difficult problem in the examination. Today I am going to tell you. Okay, please see it. This is problem, okay? Weighted average profit method. Please see it. Weighted average profit method, okay? The profit of a firm for the last 5 years were as follow. Okay, year ended 31st March. This is profit given 1999 43,000, 2000 50,000, 2001 52,000, 2002 65,000, 2003 85,000. This is year ended and this is profit. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of weighted average profit. The weights to be used are 1999 1 and 2002, 2001 3, 2002 4, 2003 5. We knew very well in weighted average profit method we add it. In superlative profit method we normally just add it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We divided by 5. But in this method you will not add it. We will not divide from directly 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this method you will add it. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 15. Okay. This is the difference of weighted average profit method and super average profit method. Today I am going to tell you partnership second chapter weighted average profit method. This is most important chapter of partnership goodwill. Okay, of your class 12. Please see the question. Okay, how you will solve this problem? Today I am going to tell you. Please see the question. Here it written year ended 31st March. Just copy and paste here. Year ended 31st March. Okay, year ended 31st March is given. Year ended 31st March. Okay. Here you will write. Year ended 31st March. Here you will write. Year ended 31st March. Okay. Here you will write. Just it. That line. And next is given profits. This is profits. Profits. In rupees. Okay, this is profits. Okay, this is profit and this is year ended. Okay, please see it. Next, weight. How much weight? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next and last, products. Okay. Products. This is product. At first year ended is given 31st March. Okay. The 1999. Just write down the year. 1999, 2000, then 2001, then 2002, then 2003. Okay. You have written just year 2000, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Okay. Profits. You write profits 43,000, then 50,000, then 52,000, 65,000, 85,000. Okay, already given. Weights 1989 1, 2002, 2002, 2001, this is 2001, 3, 2000, okay, 1991, 1, okay, 2000, 2, 2002, 2001, 3, 2001, 3, 2002, 2002, 4, 2002, 4, 2005, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, products. How will calculate? Just we will multiply it. 43,000 into 1, then 43,000. Okay, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. Okay, in this way you will just multiply it. 43,000 into 1, 43,000, 50,000 into 1 lakh, 52,000 into 3, 1 lakh, 56,000. 1 lakh, 56,000. Okay, then 65,000 into 4, multiply it. 65,000 into 4, 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Okay. Next, 85,000 into 5. 85,000 into 5, 4,25,000. Okay. 4,25,000. Okay, how? 43,000 into 1, 43,000, receipt. Okay, receipt. 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. 1991, 43,000 into 1, 43,000. 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. 82,000 into 3, 1 lakh 56,000. 65,000 into 4, 2 lakh 60,000. 85,000 into 5, 1 lakh 25,000. This is the formula. This is profits. This is year. This is weight, and this is products. Okay. We know very well the formula of weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit. Then weighted average profit formula we have already written in the last class, and in this class we will just put the formula and we will solve it. Okay, then weight already we have written 15. Okay, total 15. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 15. And you will add it. Okay, please add it. 9,84,000. Okay, 9,84,000. Then we know very well formula. 9,84,000. Please see it. Weight you will add. Okay, product you will add, and we know the formula of weighted average profit method. Understand? We know it. Okay. So 9,84,000 divided by 15. 9,84,000, please divide it. 9,84,000 divided by 15. 65,600. 65,600. Okay. 65,600. Goodwill is equal to. Goodwill is equal to. Goodwill is equal to 65,000 into 65,000 into. Okay, please see the question. 65,000 into. Please see the question. Okay. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase. How many years purchase? 2 years purchase. Okay. Please see it. 2 years purchase is given. Understand? Then we will multiply by 2. Understand? We will multiply by 2. Then here you will multiply by 2. Understand? 65,000 into 2. 1,31,200 rupees. 1,31,200. Understand? Rupees 1,31,200. 65,000 into 2. Understand? Please see it. How we have written the year? We have written the profit for the year 43,000. Please see it. Very good. Profits 43,000, 50,000, 52,000, 65,000, 85,000. Okay, weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Products 43,000, 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 2,60,000, and 4,25,000. Total 9,84,000. Okay. We know very well formula of weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit is equal to total of products of profit divided by total of weights. Okay. We know very well the formula. The total of products of profit divided by weight. This is total product of profit divided by weight. This is weight. This is total 9,84,000 divided by 15. 9,84,000 divided by 15. 65,600. Okay. Goodwill is equal to, we know very well. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. So this is weighted average profit 65,600 into number of years purchase. How many years? 2 years purchase is given here. So we have multiplied it. Okay, in this video we have known how to solve problem and solution. Okay, in this video we knew very well problem and solution of weighted average profit method. Okay, next video, in this video I have discussed question number 1. Next video I will discuss question number 2. Okay, please see it. Okay, thanks for watching this video.